Okay, so it is currently 8:56 a.m. I started work at 8. First thing I had in the morning was our weekly meeting, which are on Thursdays from 8 to 8:30. So I had that, and then right now I've just been kind of looking for calls to take. So I have an internship with a computer software company based out of where I live, and this internship is a year-long internship. So I'll be working here for a while, basically until I graduate college, which is so crazy to think. Today's a work from home day. Since I'm vlogging, I thought it'd be easier to vlog at home rather than in the office, just for confidentiality reasons and stuff like that. And I might go make breakfast soon. I walked to Starbucks this morning. I'm sure you guys saw. My go-to order right now has been a hot skinny vanilla latte. And my first Starbucks ever, I think, was a skinny vanilla latte. And the sole reason why I started ordering that first was because that was Taylor Swift's Starbucks order. Don't know if it still is, but when I was like 13 or 14 and had my first Starbucks, I made sure to look up what's Taylor Swift's Starbucks order, and that's what it was. So that's what I've been getting. Hi Joe, this is Avery calling in regards to your service call about login history for staff. And then if you just go to login history under general. Okay, I'll take a look and see if I can find any of those. Yeah, of course, have a great day. Could you hear the lawnmower in the background? Thank God. I was hoping that he wouldn't be able to hear that either. Oh, by the way, do you want to say hi? Hold on. Yeah. This is Bailey, my favorite coworker. I'm so upset. I don't know why I didn't vlog it. I guess I just wasn't thinking. I made chorizo breakfast tacos. It's like sausage breakfast tacos. So it's flour tortillas, which you could substitute for corn tortillas if you prefer. And then scrambled eggs with your choice of seasoning. Sausage, I did the chicken sausage from, when I go downstairs I'll have to show you the brand. And then I topped it with basil, feta cheese, and taco sauce. And I'm so excited to eat these because I am starving. I came down so I could let you know the brand that I use of the chicken sausage because they're actually really good. So it's Gilbert's Craft Sausages. I do the Capri ones. Highly recommend these. Never had chicken sausage before trying these, but they are amazing. And I got the recipe from this book. Actually, it's healthy-ish. I think I got it from Crate and Barrel, I want to say. Let me see if I can find the, oh, right here. So these were the breakfast tacos that I made. I think my presentation is pretty good as well, but yep, highly recommend these. If you want to take a screenshot of this really quick, here's a how to make it and the ingredients. Update, I had lunch. Well, actually, I haven't had lunch. I had those breakfast tacos at like 10:30. So I am getting a little bit hungrier now. I might go down and just make something little because I think me and my boyfriend are going to be going out for dinner tonight. Oh, I have lines for my glasses. That's the one thing I hate about these glasses, that they give me lines. Anyways, I'm getting distracted. So I've been working on work for a little bit, and then on my lunch break, I actually showered on my lunch break and worked out. Well, worked out and then showered, and then blow dried my hair. And I have been trying to like style it while I blow dry it. I don't really know if it worked out too well, but we'll try again next time. And then now I'm back to work, and I'm probably gonna take my 30-minute break soon to go and eat something else. I have leftover dinner, but I don't know if I want like a whole meal right now. So we'll see how I'm feeling, and I will let you guys know. My roommate dropped off a matcha for me. How sweet is she?
second, Polish in third.